Welcome to Indonesia, a country deeply rooted in agriculture and tradition. In today's video, we'll explore the unique rice harvesting process practiced by traditional Indonesian farmers, a method that has been passed down through generations. For many traditional farmers, harvesting rice is not just work, it's a way of life. In some regions, they still use ancient methods, preserving a deep connection to the land and respecting the wisdom of their ancestors. The first step involves cutting the rice stalks by hand using a sickle. Carefully, the farmers harvest each stalk to avoid damaging the precious grains. Though this process is slow, it reflects their patience and the respect they have for the land that provides their livelihood. After the rice is harvested, they dry the rice in large tarpaulins in the sun to dry, an important step in preparing the rice for threshing. Unlike modern methods, traditional farmers in Indonesia use a simple yet effective technique to separate the grains from the stalks. They beat the bundles against a wooden board until the grains fall to the ground. This manual process is a testament to their enduring connection to their cultural heritage. Behind every grain of rice we enjoy is the hard work and dedication of these traditional farmers. Their unique way of harvesting rice not only sustains their families, but also keeps alive a rich cultural legacy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more insights into unique traditions from around the world.